Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy. Israel. I just go and pick some watermelon. Let me watermelon instead of mango. They call it mango ceylon. We out here in nature, you know. Look at our goat mango trees, you know. Look at the river right here, brothers and sisters. Let us give God thanks and praise for His blessing, right? We still have some fruits, you know. Yeah. So right now, we suck a little Julie mango and give God thanks and praise. So stay strong and let me go down here. Let me show you what happening. That's they call it the river or the ravine or whatever you like to call it. Let me wash out the mango. Guys, it's tasty, but ladies and gentlemen, if you're having a rough time, just know, go by the river, go by the seaside, enjoy it. God is good. God gonna come to you. You'll be out too long, but God gonna come to you. You'll take your time, but God is faithful. You're proof with His word. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's roll. Ladies and gentlemen, in nature, you know, walking by the riverside, everything good. Guys, about lonely, having a hard time. Come at the river, chill. Eat some fruits. Ladies and gentlemen, support my channel. Tell Your Story podcast. Subscribe, comment, you know, and stay tuned. Allez, j'avais ça pour de la tuer. I almost really go hiking. Guys, that's it for today. I'm heading home. If you can see, there's some houses up there. As we will link up, right? We go link up. Yeah, some houses up there. Ladies and gentlemen, please go hiking. Free the mind, free from stress, pray, study, exercise, drink a lot of water. You know them kind of thing there? As we pass into here, this is the road. Always come by the river and have a nice time. Gotta put a video with a lot of things on. Ladies and gentlemen, we're almost by the road. This is a big house. This is a big house over here. Alright. Shortly we go see the main road. Guys, always remember come in nature and do what you gotta do. Guys, today is Saturday. You see a little bit of traffic roaming the street.